Today I got a Buick LeSabre 2002. So I'm gonna have to remove and install the radio, a Pioneer stereo right here. And in order to do that, I'm gonna starting from the passenger side. I'm gonna remove these two screws right here. And once I start removing that, I kind of pry a little bit. I don't want to take this hole out, this whole compartment out, this glove compartment. So I'm gonna lift it out like this using the pry it out, and pry this down with two hands. I can't do it with one hand. Now you have to be really careful about not breaking this thing, because this thing are old and it will break. You want to move it step by step and go easy on it, because if not, you'll break it. Next, you will have to take this 7mm socket and remove that out. And now I'm gonna come on this side, remove this part out, just pull it out like so, and then you should be able to pry this out a little bit. Because of these, you have to be careful. Now you want to get this 7mm out right there so you can lift it out. These and that over there. What I've done is I take a flathead and pry it up like this so you can see it, everything, so you can reach to this part and pull it out. Right there, it's all clips. As you can see, this clip right there, that's clip. And then that's clip right there. So when you pry this out, make sure you don't pry it more than three of an inch from the back to here. You'll break this part. So go easy on it. See, I can break that part. It's old. Now pull this clip up, forward, backward, I meant, and put the key on there, and put the shift down to whatever it is, to the bottom, number 1, you see. Now at this moment, you'll see, I'm not sure what side that is. That could be a 7. I'm gonna try 7. It could be an 8. So I used the screwdriver to remove it out. It's called Skew, S-K-E-W. Now what you will do, you want to remove this, push this in both sides, and pull it straight out. You got a customer right here want to watch. So I'm gonna have to kind of show you right there. You can use two hands. With I got only one hand to record. So what you do, you push this thing, take a flathead and pry this thing out, and do the same thing as the other side.